In the bustling clamor of modern life, finding moments of peace becomes increasingly vital. Zen gardens, originating from traditional Japanese courtyards, offer a sanctuary for quiet contemplation. These miniature landscapes, composed of carefully arranged natural elements, inspire feelings of serenity and balance. Creating your own Zen garden provides a space for meditation and reflection, inviting a sense of calm into your daily life. Gravel forms the foundation of a Zen garden, representing the ocean's vast expanse. The white gravel, meticulously spread out, mirrors the tranquility and boundlessness of the sea, creating a serene environment that invites contemplation and peace. The act of raking the gravel into patterns symbolizes the process of meditation itself, smoothing out thoughts and finding inner stillness. Each stroke of the rake is a mindful action, helping to clear the mind and focus on the present moment. Begin by choosing a gravel type in a neutral tone, such as white or gray, which promotes a sense of calm. These colors are not only aesthetically pleasing but also help to create a peaceful atmosphere conducive to meditation. Using a rake with evenly spaced teeth, create flowing patterns in the gravel. The even spacing ensures that the patterns are harmonious and balanced, adding to the overall sense of tranquility. Circular patterns evoke calmness and unity, while straight lines suggest direction and purpose. Each design carries its own meaning and can influence the mood of the garden. Experiment with different designs to find what resonates with you, allowing the rhythmic motion of raking to soothe your mind. The process of creating and altering patterns can be a form of artistic expression and personal reflection. Rocks carefully placed within the gravel represent mountains or islands rising from the sea. These elements are not just decorative, they hold deep symbolic meaning in the context of a Zen garden. They symbolize strength, permanence, and the enduring nature of the natural world. The weathered surfaces of these rocks tell stories of time and resilience. When selecting rocks for your Zen garden, consider their size, shape, and texture. Each rock should contribute to the overall harmony and balance of the garden. Choose a variety of shapes and sizes to create visual interest and balance. The diversity in rocks can mimic the diversity found in nature. Position the rocks strategically within the gravel, leaving space for the patterns to flow around them. This creates a sense of movement and tranquility. Avoid symmetrical arrangements, as asymmetry promotes a sense of naturalness. This approach helps to emulate the randomness and beauty of the natural world. Imagine the rocks as ancient mountains, standing tall amidst the flowing waters of time. Their presence in the garden serves as a reminder of nature's timeless beauty and strength. While gravel and rocks form the core of a Zen garden, a few carefully chosen plants can enhance the overall sense of tranquility. Opt for minimalist plants with simple forms and muted colors, avoiding anything overly bright or elaborate. Mosses, ferns, and small evergreen shrubs are excellent choices. When incorporating plants, remember that less is more. A single, well-placed plant can have a more significant impact than a cluster of different species. Consider planting in a low ceramic pot that complements the colors of the gravel and rocks. Creating a Zen garden is an ongoing journey of discovery and expression. It is a practice that invites you to slow down and connect with the natural world around you. Each element you place, each stone you move, is a step towards understanding the balance and harmony that a Zen garden embodies. There are no strict rules, only guidelines to help you cultivate a space that promotes peace and reflection. These guidelines serve as a foundation, but the true essence of your garden comes from your personal touch and creativity. Allow your intuition to guide you as you experiment with different arrangements and elements. Trust in your sense of aesthetics, and let your garden evolve naturally over time. Remember that a Zen garden is more than just a visual delight. It is a space for contemplation and mindfulness. It is a sanctuary where you can retreat from the chaos of daily life and find solace in simplicity. Take time to sit quietly in your garden, observing the play of light and shadow on the gravel, The subtle changes in the environment as the day progresses, the textures of the rocks, and the gentle sway of any plants. These small details can bring a profound sense of calm and presence. In these moments of quiet observation, you may find yourself drawing closer to a sense of inner peace and serenity. Embrace these moments, for they are the true gifts of your Zen garden.